you guys see that comedy
Did you
time?
see that?
Did you
Wow.
see that?
Wow. Wow.
Natasha.
What?
Yes.
What?
Yes.
Yes.
Are you here?
Yes.
Are
Oh
you
my
here?
God, yes.
I am here.
Okay.
That walk, amazing.
Really?
Amazing.
Beautiful.
How hard is it for you to keep your eyes right here?
Oh wow, did she just call me out?
She called you out.
She just
She
called me
called
out.
you out.
Do you know how to speak Spanish?
Un poquito.
Poquito. Maria.
Jose.
That's all I know. Okay, cool.
How'd you learn your Spanish?
Well, I went to USC, and we had to take 3 semesters of a college level language.
She's being nice. I live in LA. What do you mean? How did I learn my Spanish? What do you like to do for fun?
I just like being around my friends and having laugh attacks.
Laugh
attacks,
attacks.
okay. No, those are
You ever
fun.
get those?
Those
Now
are
he
fun.
has a Big Mac attack.
Now, see, do you work out a lot?
I do. I'm actually training for a marathon right now.
Training for a marathon.
For
This is
leukemia and
good.
lymphoma.
This is good. How long you been training?
3 months.
3
but
months?
I hurt my IT band. which is,
Ouch!
Like, right by your knee.
Oh, 'cause I thought IT was...
I thought it was like the
and I don't even want to
WWJD
look down
bands or
anymore,
something.
but...
Oh.
Your
Man,
IT band, how'd you hurt that?
Just apparently when you run in the double digits, your knees go out. So,
So it was like 10 miles?
yeah.
And nobody's chasing you?
No, I'm getting Britney Spears vibe. Do you like Britney Spears?
Well, I don't particularly care for her now.
Now? Why not now?
Because she did coke.
You like Pepsi?
Exactly.
Really? Wow.
Can you dance like her?
Yeah.
No, but I could sound like her.
You can sound like
Oh,
her.
wait,
Let's
wait,
hear it.
I want to hear this.
Let's hear it.
How are you going to sound like
Let's
her?
hear it.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Baby, I'm so into you. You got that something. What can I do?
Somebody
Wow,
turned
that-
on the radio. That was the radio. Nah, that was the radio.
Wow, that was
that was
beautiful.
not you.
That was awesome.
This is comedy time. Check you out. Beautiful. Gorgeous.
Thank you.
Gorgeous.